Since 1974, at the dawn of the biotech era, ABEC has been an innovative leader providing process solutions for biopharmaceutical manufacturing. From developing the first automated fermenters and production cell culture bioreactors in the 1970s and 1980s, to delivering the first large-scale bioreactors in the 1990s, to the present day providing the industry's largest single-use process systems. ABEC is now the only supplier in the biotech industry who can deliver the complete biological drug manufacturing process in a customized turnkey manner, utilizing both single-use and stainless steel process technology. A majority of the world's pharmaceutical and biotech companies are ABEC customers, with many of today's leading vaccines and therapeutic antibodies manufactured by processes and equipment engineered, manufactured, installed, and serviced by ABEC. In addition, ABEC has proven a new model for rapidly delivering biopharmaceutical manufacturing lines. ABEC's integrated solution approach to project delivery has demonstrated over 50% reductions in time to market versus the traditional design-bid-build project model. To do this, ABEC has built complete capabilities to efficiently provide all critical project elements, including engineering, 3D modeling, process automation, single-use and stainless steel manufacturing, integrated testing, and site installation and commissioning. Additionally, ABEC operates the largest manufacturing capacity in the industry, with over 300,000 square feet of floor space on 2 continents. ABEC's capacity and in-house control of all critical project elements eliminates the layers of inefficiency, waste, and risk that are typical with the traditional design-bid-build model. Leveraging our complete capabilities, ABEC is now delivering highly flexible process infrastructures designed for rapid changeover between multiple biopharmaceutical products. Privately held and entrepreneurial since inception, responsiveness, flexibility, and long-term partnering are essential to our customers' success, and therefore inherently built into our DNA. ABEC's capability, capacity, and core values are unique. We are proud of our history and continued contributions to improving the delivery of life-saving and life-changing biopharmaceuticals to patients.